Hi, it's Stuart Carter from Howard's in Dorchester. Just about to show you a short video on this Peugeot 208 GTI. This particular one is a 1.6 THP, 208 brake horsepower Prestige, 3-door, 6-speed manual. This has got 208 brake horsepower, so it goes very, very well. Has the remainder of the manufacturer's 3-year 60,000 miles warranty and has done just under 14,000 miles. Now we're on London Road in Dorchester. If you'd like to pop down and have a look at the car, or give one of the team a call on 01305 266 066, and I hope you enjoyed the video.